Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Musnad Zabir. I'm from PET 104. So today I will talk about my hometown. My hometown is Phonetics. I like the river and the garden my grandfather made and the pond because it's so clean. My hometown is not good for living because the weather is always windy and stormy and the roads are always cracked, so it's not good for long distance or short distance traveling. My hometown didn't change in much recent years because the houses are same, the rivers are same, and it has no network or some stuff like this. So that's all everyone. Thank you for listening.